Welcome back to Buzz on Business. Now we have Stuart from Westfield Insurance.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are we?
Excellent. Thank you for having me. First of all, it's a pleasure to be here.
What can you tell us about yourself?
I am a longtime resident of Northeast Ohio. I was born and raised in Ohio. Actually attended the University of Michigan in Ann Arbor, but moved back to Northeast Ohio after college and moved to Medina in 2005. I built a house in Montville Township, and I work at Westfield Insurance, and I've been with Westfield since 2002. And my career before that was actually a management consultant, but have now focused in the financial services business, and happy to be here.
Wonderful. Tell us about Westfield.
Well, Westfield is a group of insurance and banking and related financial services companies. Westfield Insurance was started in 1848 and has been here for 163 years. And we also have Westfield Bank, and Westfield Bank was started in 2001 as a true startup community bank and has grown over that 10-year period to about $575 million in assets with customers mainly here in Northeast Ohio, but also across the country. And Westfield Insurance does business across the United States as well. We're a regional property and casualty carrier, so we write personal insurance and business insurance in many different states. Our largest state is the state of Ohio, which is where we were started.
Wonderful. Why Medina?
Well, our company headquarters are here in Medina County. We actually have about 2,200 employees nationwide, 1,500 of which are here in Medina County. And Medina is where we were founded. In fact, the same street corner where we are now in Westfield Center was where the company was founded by a group of 11 farmers, got together in 1848, and they were kind of tired of getting ripped off by what they called foreign insurance companies, which were East Coast insurance companies at the time. And they were all a group of farmers, and they banded together to protect their fellow neighbors from fire loss and created Westfield Insurance. And so that has been our headquarters since its founding, and we've continued to invest in Northeast Ohio and in Ohio in general as a place where it's a very friendly environment for financial services and insurance companies in general. That's why you see a lot of insurance companies be based in Ohio, and we've been a part of this community for a long, long time and plan and hope to be so for a much longer time in the future.
Wonderful.
What about products and services?
Well, our primary products and services, as I mentioned, are insurance and banking. And really, when we talk about our products, we talk about what we provide to people is a peace of mind and a promise of protection. So that they know when they have a challenge in their life, whether that's a fire, it's a loss due to a storm, it's some kind of interruption to their business, that the insurance company will be there to protect them, help them restore their life to as normal capacity as possible, as quickly as possible, and pay them what we owe them in terms of their insurance. And on the banking side, we also offer a wide range of products through personal lending, mortgage lending, commercial lending to our customers. And at the end of the day, what we're really focused on is trying to help people grow their business, feel safe and secure in their homes, and know that they have an insurance company and a bank standing behind them that'll be there for them in the future when they need us.
Wonderful. You mentioned the future. Where do you see Westfield in the future, 5 years from now?
Well, our company continues to invest in new states. We've expanded our geography recently in the past 5 years and expect that we'll continue to invest in new states and new products. We also continue to invest in the bank, as I mentioned, by growing here in Northeast Ohio. We have not even 1% of the market share in Northeast Ohio, so we have a lot of room to grow and to continue to invest. Our goal is to continue to maintain profitable growth in our insurance business and to grow our bank organically here in Northeast Ohio. And looking out in the future, our business is really dependent on what happens in the economy. Insurance is a business that is there to help the economy grow. And as the economy recovers and maintains its recovery, Westfield plans to be there to support our customers by providing them the insurance coverage they need to take risk in the marketplace and to try to grow their businesses and to enable families to grow as well.
Wonderful. You mentioned the economy. How has the economy affected your business?
Well, what most people are familiar with on the insurance side is, we're there to provide insurance coverage to families and businesses, as I mentioned. And insurance really went through a period where, as the economy wasn't growing, insurance wasn't growing either. And insurance companies invest a lot of our assets in order to be able to have that long-term protection. So we've been able to weather that storm. We've got a long tradition of financial success and stability. We were recently recognized last year by AM Best, which is the rating agency that reviews insurance companies, for having an A or excellent rating for over 75 years, as one of few companies in the U.S. that have been able to maintain that rating for that longevity. So we've remained financially viable and stable over that time period. And on the banking side, our bank was not a participant in any of the federal programs. We really were not affected by all of those things that occurred in the banking industry. And so we've continued to invest in the community and give out new loans and help businesses grow.
Wonderful.
All right, Stuart, thank you very much for coming in and sharing that story with us on Westfield Insurance. And next we're going to have Carlson Funeral Home. And thank you for joining us with Buzz on Business.